Programming your Honda key fob involves synchronizing it with your car's immobilizer system. Methods vary by model year. For older models pre-2020, manually enter program mode by turning the ignition to on without starting the engine. Press the lock button on your key fob. Then, cycle the ignition from off to on multiple times while pressing buttons on the fob. For newer models 2023 and later, use the infotainment screen. Go to Settings and look for Key Fob or Key Settings. The car will signal successful entry into program mode with horn chirps or flashing lights. Have all fobs you wish to use at the same time to pair them all during this process. Once in program mode, pair the fob by pressing the lock or unlock buttons. The vehicle should confirm with another chirp or flash. You can program up to 5 fobs per car. Newer Hondas 2023 Plus support digital key fobs via the Honda Link app. Download the app, link your phone, and follow the on-screen instructions to wirelessly program your fob via Bluetooth or NFC. This method is user-friendly but needs a stable internet connection. Remember that improper programming may void your warranty, so consult a dealer for complex issues. Always ensure your fob frequency matches the vehicle to avoid security risks.